Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to edit your name drop information on iPhone. If you already have the name drop, to edit everything, you just basically go to your contacts information right here. You click on my card and this is your name drop. All you have to do is click on edit and basically you can edit your name, phone, everything you wrote down, and maybe add something else. Also, to edit the photos, you can just click right here, then click on customize, or you can also add a new right here. So you can choose to edit the poster, for example. Then you click on emoji and change the emoji. Click on done. Click on continue, and yeah, that's basically how you edit your named drop information. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.